Hey there, future business owners! Welcome to today's video, where I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to start your TikTok shop from 0 followers to making your first sale. No fluff, no filler, just actionable steps to get you started. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about getting your first 600 followers as quickly as possible. There are 2 ways to do this: the organic way and the fast way. For the fast way, we'll use a free tool called like.org, which is linked in the description. Here's how it works. Go to the website, sign up, confirm your email, and log in. Once you're in, connect your TikTok account through the Earn Points section. Start earning points by following accounts or liking videos. Then, you can exchange those points for followers. It's simple, but make sure to space out your follower gains for a more natural growth pattern. While you're using Like for Like, it's a good idea to focus on organic growth at the same time. This involves creating engaging TikTok content like product teasers, trending videos with a business twist, and educational content. Consistency is key, so aim to post regularly while staying on top of trending sounds and formats. The more visible you are on TikTok, the faster your shop will gain traction. Now that you have your first 600 followers, let's move on to setting up your TikTok shop. The first step is switching to a business account. Open your TikTok settings, tap Manage Account, and select Business Account. Choose Retail or E-commerce as your category, and you're all set to start your application. Then, head over to the TikTok Shop website, log in with your TikTok account, and verify your phone number and email. This is where you'll enter important business details like your shop name, category, and bank account information. Once your application is approved, you can start adding products. When uploading your first product, use high-quality images that showcase your item clearly. Write a compelling product description that highlights its benefits and includes relevant keywords to help with search visibility. Set a competitive price by researching similar products in your niche. Also, don't forget to add variations, inventory levels, and shipping options to give customers a seamless shopping experience. Once your shop is live, the next step is managing operations efficiently. Start by organizing your inventory, set minimum stock levels, create product bundles, and enable stock alerts to avoid running out of bestsellers. Then, configure your shipping settings. Choose reliable logistics partners, set delivery areas, and establish clear processing times to manage customer expectations. Pricing is also key. Analyze your competitors, calculate profit margins, and experiment with strategies like discounts, bundle pricing, and free shipping to attract customers. Now, let's cover the legal side of running your TikTok shop. To operate properly in the Philippines, you need to register your business. Start by securing your business name through the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI. Visit their website, check name availability, and complete the registration process online. Once approved, you'll receive a business name certificate. Next, apply for a barangay clearance at your local barangay hall. Bring your DTI certificate, valid ID, proof of address, and application form. After that, head to your city hall to apply for a mayor's permit. Bring all required documents, including your barangay clearance and lease contract if you're renting a space. Processing usually takes a few days, so plan ahead. Finally, register with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, to get your official receipts and books of accounts. Prepare your DTI certificate, mayor's permit, barangay clearance, valid IDs, and proof of address. Visit your local BIR office, fill out Form 1901, and register your books of accounts. After paying a small registration fee, you'll receive your Certificate of Registration, allowing you to legally operate and issue receipts. With everything set up, it's time to grow your shop. Marketing is key, so consider running TikTok ads, collaborating with influencers, and optimizing your content for TikTok's algorithm. Engage with your audience through comments, messages, and live streams to build trust and encourage more sales. Posting consistently and offering valuable content will help boost your brand's visibility. That's it for this guide. Everything you need to get started is in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's video, where I'll show you how to find trending products with high profit margins and reliable suppliers. Good luck with your TikTok shop journey!